Today, we're going to make a Vulture Droid using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x1 plate with ring clip on the side. And on top of the stud of our ring plate here, we're going to get one of the bases of the lever pieces. So you've got the base piece without the lever, and you've got that little slit there where the lever would go. Well, now that does a really good job mimicking the eyes of the Vulture Droid. So I'm going to have that facing forward and towards the ring clip like this. You can kind of get the head or the brains of the Vulture Droid. And now on the side of these ring clips here, we're going to get 2 1x1 round plates. Now I'm using brown for a Trade Federation Vulture Droid, but you can use blue if you want to make it a Separatist Vulture Droid. Either color will work. But we're going to put those brown plates on both ends of our ring clip, and then on those round plates, the brown plates, we're going to get a gray 1x1 round plate with hole in the stud, and then we're going to put those on top of the plates. And it's very important to have that hole in the stud for this next step to create the wings of our Vulture Droid. And for the wings, we're going to use this 1x4 slope piece here, and there's an anti-stud right there in the center of this slope piece. And what we're going to do is we'll put that anti-stud into the hole of our 1x1 round plate here, put them in together nicely, and you've got the wings to our Vulture Droid. But once we have that complete, we have a Trade Federation, or if you want, Separatist Vulture Droid.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.